Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is Lovisa Alvtörn and my dear friend Tim Wild. Hello, Tim.
Good morning, Lovisa. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yay, rolling with these New Year energies and very
Yeah.
excited about what we've got coming up.
Yes. So we're coming to you today to talk a little bit about our trip to Finland and our workshop in Finland, in Helsinki.
Absolutely.
Mhm.
Very excited to be coming back to Finland. Me personally, I haven't been to Finland since 2019, so there's been a good 3 years, and I've heard it's going to be snowy as well, so I'm doubly excited.
Yes. It's very snowy here in Uppsala as well. So it's about, this isn't Uppsala behind me, but it's
It
uh,
could well be.
we have that much snow now.
Yeah.
And here it
Oh,
is.
good. Oh, I
Yeah, it's
thought,
really nice and
fingers crossed
hot.
it doesn't all melt before I land.
Hmm. So yes, Nordic Winter Ascension workshop we're doing.
We
And yeah,
are.
I was thinking Finland is the first. I met you for the first time in Finland at one of
Yep.
your workshops. I think that was 2018 or no?
Yep.
Yeah,
That was in
I
your
think.
vascular, wasn't it?
Yeah, and
Yeah,
at the beginning of 2018.
that's right.
Um, these winter energies for workshops are amazing. So sparkly, pure, high frequency. And this time we're also really going to be working with, the snow and the ice energetically as well. So we have Archangel Gabriel, Archea Hope as well, both holding that diamond white and the sparkling crystalline, these energies. And it's also, we're going to be working with the energy of peace coming through right away with them as well. And Finland, the way where it's placed, close to Russia, but then kind of like a bridge between different parts of the world and energies. And we do actually have the Sami coming in. We're working with the Nordic energies, with the Norse, with the Sami, and also introducing some of the Finnish masters who want to come through. So that's going to be something exciting.
I'm
And
really looking forward to it. And we were discussing what we were going to be bringing through kind of while we were still being bounced around by the energies of 2023. I think as we step into this new sparkling template that is 2024, we are going to be really working on embracing the energies of peace within this workshop, purity, also acknowledging and working with the Sami, the Finnish masters that are presenting themselves, but also integrally tying all of this into the kind of the explosive energy that is surrounding the forward movement of our ascension process, because we've been promised a very different year this year. And we're going to be both be bringing this into the workshop, Lovisa, just the energies of joy. Everybody is going to be the collective field is almost celebrating for us to have a year, the best year of our ascension process, the best year of our lives on this planet. It's now, if we can work with this to create it as a collective reality. I mean, a lot of people will probably hear those words and go, I'm not feeling joyous at the moment. Like the world is in such a mess. It's up to us to anchor that, bring that through, manifest it, and allow it to shine through our work. So we're going to be working with the energies of purity, of peace, with what the Sami masters are stepping through with,
and oneness.
holding, like the energies that they used to hold themselves, they are wishing to us to embody, embrace. And there's a lot coming in from the higher realms regarding water as well,
Yeah,
Lovisa. If you remember the
definitely.
discussions we had about the way that the water carries the frequency of the Christ light. And of course, we're going to be on the doorstep of the Baltic Sea. There's so much work for us to do when we get there.
Yes. We have a snowstorm meditation already that we know we're going to be doing.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Also connecting in with our crystalline DNA. Like there's so much around that.
Yeah.
But definitely there's going to be we're going to be doing a big grid together, like work with, and then a meditation on peace and unity. And what you're saying, joy, because I'm hearing children's laughter, because
Yeah,
really the children of the future generations are coming in, and it's like almost a spell is broken from people when you bring in the children, and now we can
yeah,
be really as one. We're all people, like we're caring for and loving our children and the children.
absolutely.
That was something that came through yesterday, because it's always music coming through when I have in the workshops that come through me, and it's this Sami singer, and it starts with children. So you hear a child laughing, and that's when it really came through. That so the future generations are coming in to that's a way that we can connect around our children and the children to
Absolutely.
come. And they're really actually coming in and doing this with us in the meditation as well.
We've got a good crowd gathering for it. So
Mhm.
with the energies that we're creating, with everybody who's attending the workshop in Finland, in Helsinki, we're going to be anchoring this permanently into the grid that binds all the Nordic countries together in the waters of the world. It's the ignition of a flashpoint of energy that then will travel out into the surrounding area. But both Finland and Sweden and all of the other countries surrounding them, they're so the template of the energy there its foundation is purity. And I felt that when I first stepped into Finland in 2017. It was the first time I ever visited. So
Mm.
it'd be a lovely place to kind of really begin the year by in like allowing this energy to kind of flow outwards from where we are into all of the lay systems, into the sea, carried by the masters and also the beautiful souls that are attending.
Yeah, feeling it spreading through the oceans. And I love the Baltic Sea so much. It's my see, I grew up by the Baltic Sea, but further
Of course
south,
you
of
did.
course, on the Swedish east
Yeah.
coast. So I have a great love for the Baltic Sea. It's beautiful,
Ah,
beautiful
and of
energy.
course, I will be a visitor from the UK, bringing whatever codings and energies that I can bring through. So
Yeah. And we will have something, because beautiful Jenny, who is hosting us, she's bringing through a new energy as well, on the core of the North. So that's going to be a beautiful and exciting thing to be working with her. So
mm,
we'll be representing. So in Finland, we have the core of the North, because here in Sweden and Uppsala is the heart of the North, around the
yeah,
portal to the cosmic heart here in
yeah,
Old Uppsala and the King's Mounds. And Jenny has identified that Finland really holds the core of the North. And
absolutely.
yeah,
Yeah,
very grounded, like grounding it in, and stable and in your power. And you will then be representing the wisdom of the North, Tim.
yes. Bringing that
Yeah,
old coding in, the one that kind of like, oh, it's here finally.
yeah.
No, that
So
we
that
we
would be
discovered
really,
that last year, didn't we?
yes. So that would be beautiful to work with
Yeah,
as well. So a lot of beautiful work. So we do invite you to come along, and we'll put a link
yeah.
to. So Jenny is selling this workshop, and Jenny Ranta Kaila. And we have also, I'm traveling with Anna Indra Larsson,
Yay.
beautiful sound master with her amazing the
I'm really
sound.
looking forward to seeing what codes Anna identifies once she gets to Finland and actually kind of gets stuck into the work that we're bringing through, because it's going to be there's a field that is carrying a different octave that I'm seeing very clearly at the moment. So we're all going to be tapping into that, and it's only a couple of weeks away now, isn't it?
Yeah,
3 weeks away at the very most.
20th and 21st. I think
Absolutely.
today is
Yeah.
Friday. We will be traveling to Finland in 2 weeks, Tim.
Yay. Excellent.
Yay!
That
Wow.
brings, yeah, that brings reality to it. So
Yeah.
for those of you that might not have seen this event, or you're on the fence about it, come along. It's going to be a brilliant weekend. We're going to have a lot of crystals there, a lot of high frequency energy, a lot of new work, a lot of new masters coming through, and of course, peace and purity, unity, love groundedness, and that lovely snow energy for everybody.
Yes.
Looking
Feeling
forward to seeing you all there.
Yeah, feeling it so strongly. Yeah, it's going to be amazing.
Looking
So,
forward to it. Lots of love.
lots of love.
Bye for now. Bye.
Bye.